CJ with First Gen Farm here. Finally got the Karrikers Kustoms Grill Inserts in the mail. So I'm going to open these up. He's got them packed pretty good, so they came from the States, had to go through customs. So each one's individually wrapped, looks like, and the bubble wrap, and then all the hardware he's got bagged up here. So this is what they look like. Fit right in the grill. So this is for the bottom. So they fit right in the grill like that. 6 missing bolts here that are used to hold on to the grill for the rest of it. So heavy duty, all metal. Some of the bolts you'll just have to tighten up a bit, but looks pretty good. So we'll get them installed and then show you what it looks like. I was going to change the grill out, but it's still winter, and I'll just put my new grill on once it warms up. Alright, so I've got a few, I guess 3 of them put on so far. Looks really good. This is the new grill, so you do put them on with the grill off, and basically, like I said, there's 6, focus here, there's 6 bolts that go all the way through, and then they hold on to the edge of where the OEM insert used to go. Retaining bolts go on the edge there. Alright, so here's what it looks like. Apologize for the dirty carpet. Just need to make sure they're all level. I guess just sitting right. Snug it up, and then there's some lock nuts that come with the kit that you can jam it with at the back so nothing comes loose. Again, here's the back. You can see there's 6 points where these are anchored to the edge where that OEM grill insert would sit. Yeah, it looks really good. It'll look better on the truck, and probably better just because this is a brand new grill. Doesn't have the old Dodge though, that'd be nice. There it is on, looks really good.